We got a balcony this time. It may not be ready yet because it's only like 11 something.
That TV just turned on.
No, I don't know why they always have it on to Love Boat. Who watches that? I think like 90-year-olds. This looks very similar to our ocean view cabin, but... Okay, let's look. I know the bathroom's different. Nice rooftop. Yes. One thing that we're a little worried about is that we don't have any stickers on our cards, and we did buy the package for the drink, so we're gonna have to go to the desk and ask about that. But we're looking over the balconies. When we went to Alaska, we were down there. We were on the Ruby, but this is nice. Let's go check out the bathroom. Yeah, there's no paperwork or anything in here yet, so we've got to leave this room, I bet.
Well, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's go get our tickets or our stickers.
Actually, the bathroom's exactly the same. The only difference in this room is the